So I'm gonna quickly do something. Can you wait there for me? I'll pause it. So guys, I'm gonna drink my parada by pinching his toes. And while he's sleeping. So here's his feet. No? So I'm gonna pinch it. Guys, please make sure you guys like and subscribe because I'm gonna do something over here. This is a polka dot in it to make it like a soap. To make it like a soap for you, so let me make it sound watery. There's a fork. So this I'm gonna do is guys this stove. So I'm gonna pinch it like okay. So there's the stove, so let me do it. You ba't santay? Kunat So guys, please make sure if you guys like and subscribe and click the button. Like, it's obviously hilarious. Like, I just pinch his feet like I'm new in YouTube now. I'm new. So hi guys, this is my cousin. No? We're gonna do a food challenge. So I need to hurry up because this video is gonna go finish.
Hello.
There's my cousin, so let's put it like this. Come in.
Ikas ba na?
Okay. So first we're gonna try this biscuits. This is new snacks, like new. Like we never tasted. So I opened it. So please make sure
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe, yeah. He's right. This is my baby brother.
Baby, baby, if check here.
This one.
Napukak.
So I'm tasting this biscuits that babies always like. Cheers to me.